So this is a video for determination of rank by method number 2. So look at the mathematical procedure. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to follow these steps. You can follow your own steps to get the result, right? So here choose the primitive. First step consists of choose the primitive element and primitive row. Always the first element of the system is considered as the primitive element, and the row in which the primitive element is present, that row is called as primitive row. If in any case the primitive element is 0, then interchange the two rows. Second, make all the elements present below the primitive element or pivot element equal to 0 by applying the relation row I equal to minus element you want to make 0 by pivot element into pivot row plus row I. After completion of the first step, diagonally choose another element as primitive element and make 0 to all the elements present below that element by applying the same previous relation. Continue the process as long as there is some element is present below the primitive element. At the last step, count how many number of non-zero rows are present. The number of non-zero rows are equal to the rank of the matrix. This is the case of a square matrix, right? So let us solve one problem. Find the rank of this matrix 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. So what is our first step? We have to choose what is the primitive element and what is the primitive row. So what is the primitive element? Primitive element is 1 and primitive row is R1. Okay, always the first element of the system is called as primitive element, and the row in which the primitive element is present is called as the primitive row. So here in this case primitive element is 1, primitive row is R1. Now we have to make all the elements present below 1 equal to 0 by applying the relation row I equal to minus the element you want to make 0 by pivot element into pivot row. So you want to make 1 equal to 0, so this is present in row number 2. So R2 equal to minus element I want to make 0, I want to make 1 equal to 0 divided by pivot element. So pivot element is 1 into pivot row plus row 2. Similarly, I want to make this element also equal to 0. So this is present in R3. So R3 equal to minus element I want to make 0 by pivot element into pivot row plus R3. So just simplify it. Minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus R1. Minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus R1 plus R3. So now find out the values. Find out the answers for the new matrix. R1, we have not written a single word for R1. So directly place the elements of R1 as 1 3 3. Then calculate the values. Minus R1 plus R2. Minus R1 plus R2. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0, minus 3 plus 4 is 1, minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. See, minus R1 minus, what are the elements of R1? 1, 3, 3. So 1, 3, 3 plus R2, what are the elements of R2? 1, 4, 3. So minus 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. So 0, 1, 0. So write down simply 0, 1, 0. Then R3 is minus R1 plus R3 minus the elements of R1 plus R3 1 3 4. What are the values? 0 0 1. So place it in the next matrix. Now we have to choose the next element is as diagonal element. Okay, so if you will choose this element as diagonal as the primitive element, the element below this element is already 0. So no need to proceed further. Okay, you have to continue the process until there is some element is present below the primitive element. So if you will choose this element as primitive element, this is 0. In the third case, if you move further, if you choose this element as primitive element, there is no element present below this element. So the process the process ends here. So what is the rank? Count how many non-zero rows are present. Remember one thing, zero row means all the elements of a row should be equal to 0. All the elements. If a single element is also non-zero, then that row is considered as non-zero row. So here count how many non-zero rows are present. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 3, 3. So now count how many number of non-zero rows are present. It is 3. So rank is 3. Similarly, let us discuss one more example. Yes, obviously we are discussing for square matrices. So in the next video I will be sharing with you how to get the rank by this method for the rectangular matrices. So here is the question 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5. Now here I have written rough. You have to use any other page to write rough. So rough. Here I have done all the rough works. What is the pivot element here? Pivot element is 3 and pivot row is R1. Now you have to make all the elements present below the pivot element equal to 0. So you have to make 2 equal to 0 and 1 also equal to 0. By applying the relation, you want to make 2 equal to 0. First write the relation to make 2 equal to 0. So this is present in row number 2. This is present in row number 2. So R2 equal to minus the element you want to make 0 by pivot element into pivot row plus row I. R2 equal to minus 2 by 3 R1 plus R2. Similarly, next you have to make this element equal to 0. This is present in row number 3. So R3 equal to minus 1 by 3 R1 plus R3. So just calculate it. I have here calculated all the terms. Minus 2 by 3 into R1 plus R2. So the answers are 0, minus 1 by 3, minus 5 by 3, 0, 7 by 3, 11 by 3. Now next, choose. Diagonally you have to choose the primitive element. So diagonally which element is the primitive element? Forget about the question, right? Here the new question is, on a new step obtained is 3, 2, 4, 0, minus 1 by 3, minus 5 by 3, 0, 7 by 3, 11 by 3. So here the primitive element is minus 1 by 3. Here I have written for the next step. Primitive element is minus 1 by 3, and in this case the primitive row is R2. So R3 equal to minus, and I want to make this element equal to 0. Okay, you have to make all the elements present below the pivot element or primitive element equal to 0. So we have to make 7 by 3 equal to 0. So what will be 7 by 3 is present in row number 3. So R3 equal to minus the element you want to make 0 by pivot element into pivot row plus row I. So 3, 3 got cancelled. R3 is equal to 7 R2 plus R3. Now after operating the relation, I have got the values 3, 2, 4, 0, minus 1, 3, 1 by 3, minus 5 by 3 and 0, 0, minus 8. Next, if the step continues, I have to choose this element as we have already taken A11 as pivot element. We have already taken A22 as pivot element, and you have to diagonally move further. So now in this step we have to take A33 as the pivot element. So if you are taking this element as pivot element, there is no element below this element to make 0. So the process ends here, right? So now count how many number of non-zero rows are there. 1, 2, 3. All the rows are non-zero rows. Remember, 0 row means all the elements of a matrix should be equal to 0. And non-zero means if at least one element is also non-zero, then that is considered as non-zero. So here all the rows are non-zero. So rank is equal to 1, 2 and 3. So rank for the matrix is equal to 3. Okay. Okay, go